Hi mga garden, so this is Hardinarang Nanay once again. Welcome to our home, our garden, and we believe that all plants grow with love. So, Happy New Year to each and everyone. Now is 2022 and we are still having our home gardening. I guess, I know, not a guess, but I know in my heart that home gardening or farming will be the thing that I will be doing until I die. Okay, so our topic for today is about we're going to transplant our successful leaf propagations of Peperomia watermelon, and as we go on, I'll be giving you some basic care tips. Okay, join me and we transplant this one. Okay, check the description below about the first vlog I made about this watermelon peperomias or Peperomia watermelon, how I propagated the leaves, and now it's ready to transplant. Okay, join me. But before we go and transplant, like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell for more home gardening tips and vlogs from Hardinarang Nanay. So we are going to open this one. They've been here for, let's say, 3 months already, so it's ready to be transplanted. Okay, let's open it. This one, I did not water this one for 3 months already since I propagated this one. All right, so is this here? You know, the water inside, it keeps it moist. Actually, these watermelon peperomias, they love higher humidity. So see, look at that. Look at that. Wow, so healthy. So healthy. Wow. Actually, it's a 100% successful leaf propagation. Alright, okay. Gonna open it. Oh, I added some dusty miller here. So, they're having roots also. They're still alive. Okay. Wow. Okay, how will we bring this out? Okay, look at that. See? Successful. Oh, there are successful propagations of black mamba here also, the black mamba begonia leaf propagations. Okay, oh, this is grass. See how it loves the humidity inside, the temperature inside. Wow, for 3 months I did not water them. It's just a self-watering container. Okay, so look at that. Oh, look at that. So let's see what we can transplant in here. Okay, look at that. So let's check. Oh, what's that? What are we going to transplant here? We're gonna check the roots. Oh, there we go. So we can transplant this one already. Okay. That's it. So this one, another one. Oh, here we go. The leaf is still intact, but we can already transplant this one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's banana here. There's banana. There's even guyabano. Okay, okay, dun ka nga muna kasi. So we have 10, so we are going to transplant. The rest of the plants, we will still keep them here. We will cover this one and then wait for them to grow a little bit, and then we can transplant them. Okay, let's check the dusty miller. It's alive and kicking. Of course, the secret of a healthy garden or a healthy plant is a good soil. So we have here a loam soil. So I bought this one in the market. It's 130 pesos. Ilang kilo ba to? It's composed of organic fertilizer. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung organic fertilizer na yan. Let's assume that it is the composted animal manure, like the cow manure, like that, or horse manure, like that, or any composted manure. I forgot to ask the seller what is that organic fertilizer that they are talking about. Anyway, it is also added with composted rice hull. I assume that it is the carbonized one. And then we have the soil. Probably this is the black soil, and they have the cocopeat. And then they have this affected microorganism. So they're adding it here to, you know, make the loam soil a healthy one. So I opened it and see what I got. I think it has more, you know, rice hull. Oh, it's a fresh rice hull. They say it's composted. Maybe some already are composted, some are yet still being composted, and it's not a, you know, carbonized rice hull that I expected to have. Anyway, we can still use this one. We can still use this one, and you know, yeah, there are black thing there. So that is the black soil. It's not the carbonized rice hull. Let's see. Wait, I'll check it. I think it's the carbonized rice hull. Yeah, it is the carbonized rice hull, and the soil is not that black. So you can see the difference between, yeah, you can see the difference between the carbonized rice hull and a black soil. So okay, good. They added carbonized rice hull, and also they added the fresh rice hull. Okay. Okay, the soil is not that black. Okay. Anyway, we're still going to use this one, but I guess I have to add some composted cow manure in here. So if you want to use the vermicasting also, it's good. Okay, the presence of the rice hull here, the fresh rice hull, it retains moisture. Anyway, the watermelon peperomia, they like that, the moist soil but well draining. Okay, so to achieve that one, the well draining soil, we have the what's this, pumice. All right, we're going to add, oh, there is also some cocoa peat here, just like 20% of it. That is good also. Okay, but be careful when you have your own or make your own soil mix. Make sure that your soil is, you know, not soggy. Okay, so this is perfect already. It's not to be a soggy soil because of its component. Okay, and then we're going to add some pumice, so that will be good. Okay, let's start. So I have here now the soil, the loam soil that the seller, you know, claims that it is a loam soil. Okay, fine, it's a loam soil. I added some 20% of what's this, cow manure that is well composted, and then a 20% of pumice. If you want to add more, just make it 30% of pumice. That would be fine. Okay, let's start. So before, I thought that pumice is only for the succulents and cacti. So if you have the Akadama soil, the lava rock, the perlite, you can mix them with the soil for any plant actually that you have. Because you know, your aim should be a well-draining soil, not a not a saggy soil. So your aim is to have a well-draining soil. Okay, right, so that's it. Let's start planting them in a container like this one. Okay, all right. Look at this. I thought it is intact with the leaf, but then it's not. So you still have some offsets there. So this one, we are going to put this back in the container. Okay, I remember the one that we planted a while ago. I buried the leaves. I should have buried the leaves, so that there will be new offsets there. Anyway, hopefully there will be new roots there. Okay, so we're going to plant this one. All right, and then we are going to water this one later. Okay, so this one, as I said, we're going to put this back in the container. Okay. So for this one, actually you can remove it and then put it back to the container where we had the leaf propagations. So this one's actually, yeah, you can remove it, but if it cannot be removed, it's fine. For this one, yeah, actually you can remove this one and put it back to the container. But as I said, if it does not fall off naturally as you transplant these ones, do not remove it. You might be hurting this one. Okay, so here we place them in a bright shade area. Gonna water them. Actually, you can mist them to maintain the humidity, because they love high humidity. That is why this plant is also good for indoors. But you have to be careful when you make this plant as an indoor plant. Do not overwater them. Okay, always remember that watering depends on the sunlight exposure. Okay, by the way, this is the mother plant. So I already removed some leaves and propagated them, and then now there are new leaves again. So see how big is it? See, it's a healthy plant. I love it. These are the flowers, the common flowers of Peperomia. There we go. So we're going to propagate again, either to separate the, you know, the cluster, but I don't want it. I want it this big. But you know, when we propagate, get the you know, the mature leaves. Okay, check the link on the description below for more care tips of this plant and how we propagate this one. Okay, so that's it mga garden. Thank you for watching HNTV Baguio. Hope you have learned something today. So click the notification bell for more home gardening tips and vlogs. Tianog Kabasan 1. God bless us all.